Well, our fall weather, it lasted a long time, but things are changing in a hurry now, and we've got rain coming down in the valley and in some cases some snow now, and more of that on the way. So some first alert weather days here for this first round tomorrow and into Friday when we see this rain change over to snow completely. We'll have some impactful weather, and then Saturday another clipper moving through right after this one, kind of adding insult to injury here. That's going to be bringing about some more snow to the valley. So right now it's mainly rain. You can see the raindrops on our Home of Economy Skycam in Devil's Lake. They're still coming down. We've been seeing rain in this area for some time. Some places have reported more than a half an inch of rain already with this system moving through. So dealing with some gloomy, just kind of raw weather when we factor in the cooler temperatures, and on top of that, the wind associated with it too. So in the northern valley where I'm focused right now, here's Grand Forks right here, getting some light rain showers, a little more steady in the Newfolden, Thief River Falls, Red Lake Falls area in the deeper greens. And then back to the west, you can see the blue here south of Langdon into western parts of Walsh County, indicating that we may be getting some snowflakes there. And we did have a report of flakes coming down in Langdon not too long ago. It was not sticking at that point in time. So that's a good thing to hear for any travel going on today. Visibility is limited though in many of these locations. And Devil's Lake, you can see that rain stretching down into the southern valley toward the Jamestown area and Stutsman County. Fargo now seeing some rain returning after this morning that didn't last super long, and now we're seeing some more of that rain coming back, and this is all moving from west to east, so eventually we'll see that rain pick up again into the afternoon with lighter amounts to the east right now, but we'll also see those showers picking up for you too. So this is kind of round one in this first system. We're going to get that wraparound moisture behind this heading into tomorrow, and that's when we're looking at more snow and wind. Right now that wind is out of the southeast. We have some gusts into the teens, 20s, up to about 30 miles per hour. So feeling just tough out there when you've got that rain blowing right at you here. And in addition, it's cool. We're looking at temperatures into the 40s in the south, which for this time of year is not so bad, but you add the rain to it and the wind, it doesn't feel so good. 46 degrees in Fargo, 40 in Grand Forks, and then there are some places near freezing up north. Still above, that's important here, but near freezing, and that's where we're more likely to see some of this mix happening off and on through the rest of the afternoon. So here's your hour by hour planner. We've got a colorful one here on your forecast map. We're going to see a lot of green on the map here through the afternoon hours, with some of these areas getting that potential for some flakes at times, maybe a little mix happening at times as well, but with temperatures staying above freezing, likely seeing just melting happening on some of our grassy surfaces. I can't rule out a little bit of accumulation, but overall that's going to hold off until later tonight and tomorrow. So into the evening hours, temperatures don't really change much today. We'll be in those upper 30s up north and into the 40s in the south. But once that sun sets, those temperatures will start to dip. And notice what happens as this is moving eastward. The precipitation that's remaining in the valley starts to change over late tonight as our temperatures cool down to near freezing. We'll see more blue on the map, indicating that potential for some snow by tomorrow morning. So that would be most likely in northwestern Minnesota. And then there are going to be areas kind of in that break between this first round and then the next one, that wraparound moisture that's going to move through. So be ready for that, even if things look okay tomorrow morning when you wake up. Total liquid potential through tomorrow morning. So the rain that we're factoring in, this is in addition to what we've seen. A lot of green here, indicating another half inch for our viewers into Minnesota. Now let's take a look at tomorrow. We're going to watch that snow, and there may be a little bit of a mix in there too, with temperatures a little bit above freezing. That starts to move its way southward through the afternoon. We'll see it become more widespread. The wind is north, gusting 40+ miles per hour, and that means some tough conditions starting Thursday night as temperatures drop below freezing and heading into your Friday morning as well. So this is going to be ongoing basically through Friday afternoon before it finally clears up. So snowfall potential, just quickly telling you here, I got a lot to talk about today. 1 to 3 inches south generally, and higher amounts up north. There could be a couple of places that hit 6 inches up by Lake of the Woods. And we'll take a closer look at your 7-day planner coming up. Can't forget that Saturday system as well.
Wow, no, it seems like a very good opportunity to get your emergency kits in your cars.
Right.
Practice your weather safety.
Yes, you know, we all kind of forget how to drive in winter weather. And so this first storm system is always a little bit tough. So make sure you're thinking about that. You know, checking your snow tires, make sure they're ready to go, and all of those safety tips that you just mentioned.
Sounds good. Thanks so much, Lisa.